In today's healthcare landscape, organizations rely on fast, accurate access to data. But one leading physician-led healthcare organization faced a growing challenge: siloed systems, inconsistent governance, and no centralized way to manage or secure their expanding data environment. Although they were already using Databricks for ETL workflows, there was no unified model for access control, lineage tracking, or security enforcement. Data was flowing in from databases, jobs, and other sources, but the current system was creating inefficiencies and compliance risks. The organization turned to Inspire Solutions for help. Our data and analytics experts designed and executed a comprehensive roadmap built on the medallion architecture, bronze, silver, and gold layers, using the Databricks Unity Catalog as the governance foundation. The team began with a full assessment of existing notebooks, pipelines, and access ingestions. We then established governance-ready Azure resource groups, standardized deployment practices, and developed catalogs, schemas, and tags to protect PHI and other sensitive data. Cost optimization was built into the solution with a custom monitoring dashboard that helped identify areas for improvement, cutting development costs by approximately 20%. Fine-grained governance further eliminated wasteful query scans and streamlined the system. Inspire Solutions also migrated legacy data into Databricks and ingested healthcare data into Azure Data Lake, delivering real-time Power BI dashboards to empower rapid insights across the organization. Today, our solution serves as the organization's centralized governance hub. Clinical and administrative teams now have faster, more reliable access to critical information, improving decision-making and enhancing patient care. Inspire Solutions. Technology is our focus, and quality is our commitment.